Di ba yung balita? Remember that?
Ito magaling ko eh. He was a good comedian, you know? Makulit to, kasama si Froilan de Guzman.
Jesus pare.
Siya yung tropa niya.
Yeah. That time, sabi nga no, kapag, alam mo nung,
Body ni Mike.
yeah. Kapag yung, di ba may mga balita, na magbabalita kayo from, yeah. Tapos sabi niya, tapos siyempre, you're gonna ask, so what happened to the news?
Public
And then, natanda ako si Javier. Ano first name niya?
John D.
Javier Delgado.
What?
It's not being cute, you
Ano
know?
yan? Ano yan?
Jeff, he asked, what was the news all about? And
So
every
cute.
time he will tell them, tulungan natin ang
So
statistics
cute,
office.
sabi mo?
Constant yun, man. Whatever news, tulungan natin ang statistics office.
Totoo naman.
When you guys left, sabi ko, every time, what happened to the news, he will tell them that